I finally recorded the sound my son makes at night. But when I played it back, there was another voice humming with him. It started a month ago, just a soft hum before bedtime, low, steady, almost like a lullaby. I thought it was cute. Kids hum, right? But the tune never changed. Same rhythm, same pattern. Every night, every morning, every car ride. At first, I ignored it, but soon, I couldn't sleep. That melody looped endlessly through the walls, through my dreams, like it was drilling into my brain. Then strange things began happening around the house. The cat wouldn't go near Riley's room. The radio turned on by itself, playing static in the same tone as the hum. And one night, I heard him whisper mid-song, like he was answering someone. Tuesday, his coach called. Riley had been found in the locker room, alone, two basketballs shredded open beside him. The rubber looked melted. When I picked him up, he just sat in the back seat, staring out the window, softly humming. "Where did you learn that song?" I asked. He smiled. "James taught me." I froze. There's no James in his class, no James at school. That night, I checked on him around midnight. The humming was deeper now, almost vibrating the floor. When I peeked in, he was sitting cross-legged in bed, eyes closed, head swaying to the tune. The shadows in the corner pulsed with every note, like they were breathing. By Wednesday, the school called again. Riley had led 3 other kids into the girls' restroom, chanting that same tune in perfect unison. The others said the mirrors cracked when the lights flickered. The teacher found them kneeling, humming, staring into the sink drain. When I picked him up, the humming didn't stop, not even when he slept. Thursday morning, I decided to record it. I left my phone outside his door, hit record, and went downstairs. 2 hours later, I listened back. At first, just a hum. Then, something else joined in, a second voice. Wet. Whispering. Off-key, like it was humming from inside a throat full of water. Then, faintly, my son's voice spoke. "It's your turn now, Mom." I dropped the phone. When I ran upstairs, Riley was standing at the end of the hall, eyes rolled back, mouth open too wide, the hum tearing out of him like wind through a tunnel. The lights shattered one by one as the sound grew louder. He stopped humming, tilted his head, and smiled. "James wants to meet you." Now, I'm hiding in the bathroom. The lights keep flickering. The hum's coming from everywhere, the vents, the sink, the walls. He's standing outside the door right now. I can see his shadow under the crack, and 2 smaller ones beside it. If anyone finds this, don't listen to the recording. Once you hear the tune, you hum it too.